guys, I'm Hamza from Android Ultra. As you know the video topic from the thumbnail, so without further time wasting, let's start video. So some YouTubers share video regarding how to get Pixel 6 Magic Eraser on any Android phone, and those YouTubers share the Pixel 6 stock camera photos app. Like you have need to install the app in your phone to get this feature, but it's not working at all because one of the main requirement is Android 12. And this feature is official to Pixel devices like Pixel 6 Pro, or even older devices also get it. So if you have any Android version like Android 12 or Android 11, Android 10, you have need to install this app. This app is called �touch, and it's available on Google Play Store. It's really close to Google Magic Eraser and provide you as much as possible best results in my experience. So here is the another example. As you can see already the glasses example. So here is the another image. I have need to do only drag on the main object, which one I have need to remove from the image. So here you can see it's really simple and easy. Simply drag on the main object which one you have need to remove and click on go, and it's gone, and it's almost perfect. And another example is here. I am trying to remove this street bulb, and I am trying to do it. Maybe it's difficult and not possible, so try, and it's really magical. As you can see, it's really useful. I am trying to remove the shadow also, and let's see what happened. And here is the my drag, and you can see it's working. This is the best alternative I have found on the internet regarding the Pixel 6 Magic Eraser. If you have any question regarding this app, �touch, or regarding the Pixel 6 Magic Eraser, so simply let me know in the comment section and try to help you as much as possible. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, simply subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. This app is also available on the Google Play Store and provide the download link, but it's paid. So here is the another example. In this image I have need to remove these wires, and simply click on the wire and it's automatically detect and remove the line. So as you can see, a lot of other tools also available in this app and tutorials also. Simply check out all the tutorials regarding which one tool for which one requirement. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, please consider to subscribe and also press the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching.